highway, don't even change gears. Right. Kind of dirty, cleaned up. Cylinder. When you open it,
Yeah?
it's got a, you'll see it.
Okay.
Feel easy?
Yeah.
It's got a turbo.
So this is the pump right here.
That's your pump, yeah.
And the frames is good. The frame's good.
Oh yeah, it's not having a problem. Tires will be the first thing. If you're going to use it long term, they're probably 50.
Does it tease up?
No, it's just solid.
On here.
That's it, yeah. When you're loading it, you load here and you dump here. It doesn't have this. Doesn't have a 6-inch dump. It's only got the 3-inch dump.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if that'd be an issue or not. This comes off here.
So what size is this?
3. That's a 3. Yeah, dump it and load. Here's your.
So this is for loading.
That's for loading. This
Just
tells you how much water.
Open it, put the pipe on,
Yeah,
and
you
pump it.
Yeah, you just put a hose on it, like over there, and suck it right up. It goes up in there and then drops.
And
down.
this open out, right?
That will open up. Yeah, you just have to peck it.
Is there any rust on this tank or something?
This is well, that's the tank. The tank, you mean? Yeah, the tank is really clean. We opened it up, looked at it.
Might get some little rust under here.
Yeah, a little. We haven't painted that. That probably needs painting. Really.
Yeah, they probably need to paint under.
Yeah.
You gotta probably paint it this way.
Yeah. You open it up inside, it looks like a new tank.
Oh, really?
It's brand new inside.
Is there any way we can open it?
I'm sorry?
Is there any way we can open it?
Yeah, I get something though. A hammer.